Hi everybody, how are you all keeping? I want to say a very big thank you to everybody in the building. Thank you guys for your massive support. Today, I'm making rice carrots with cashew nuts. And this is sultana, dry sultana. That is my dry sultana. That is my cashew nuts. That is my grated carrots, right? That is my chopped onion. This rice takes a lot of onions, okay? And that is my cooked rice, already cooked, parboil, okay? In my chicken stock, okay? And those are the spices I'm gonna be using. So I will go off the camera, caramelize my onions to brown, golden brown, caramelize my carrots, then fry this a bit, then I will show you the rest as we goes along, okay? Stay tuned. I'll see you later. Frying the carrot, the onions is done, so that is the carrot there. Here now is my cashew nuts, okay guys, my cashew nuts goes in there. Yeah, what I put here, my cinnamon, ginger, curry, ginger, and pound is there, green cardamom pound is there. It's all frying with the cashew. So now I'm gonna put in my sultana. Yeah, fry all together. Put in my chili flakes. So I'm gonna tip in my rice. Dipping my fried caramelized onions goes in there. Then tipping my fried carrots goes in there. That is the rice, guys. It's ready. Look at that. Look at that. You can eat it with roast chicken, roasted fish, anything. Serve it with some side of side salad, like a side dish salad. Can serve it with coleslaw salad. Can serve it with fried fish, fried chicken. You can eat it with boiled egg. You can eat it on its own. You know, look at that. Look at the color. Look at the color. Beautiful. You see what you eat in your body? Beautiful, guys. This is beautiful. Look at the color. That's my carrots, sultana, cashew nuts, caramelized onions, rice. Look at that, guys.